Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add commentary to your video clips on Sharefactory using your PlayStation 5, the video editor on here. So I have my video timeline opened up, and I'm going to add a commentary. You can see I already have some on there. If I press L3, I can go between the different tracks. So right now, I'm on just my main timeline showing just my video clips. And if I press L3, you can see my add track 2, my track 2 on there, which is my commentary. I can see all the lines going up and down, which is my voice. And then if I press it again, this will be the music, and I don't have any music on here. So just go between L3 and you can see your track 2 timeline. And then we can press X to add commentary. So pick out where you want it in the timeline. So I'm going to go right here where my commentary ended, and then press X on the controller. Go to track 2. Now, if you have a video camera, you can record off your video camera. So then we want to press X again, and we have the option to record video, audio, or we can add a video clip. So let's go to record audio. Then press record. And then you can use your controller or your headset and you can record the audio off here. Just make sure you have the correct mic set up. So now I'm going to go ahead and press X to stop now. And here is what I just did. So let's unmute my capture card and you should be able to hear this. Controller or your headset, and you can record the audio off here. Just make sure you have the correct. So yeah, you can hear that in my timeline now. Press the PlayStation button, go on over to your microphone. Just make sure you have the correct microphone on here. So I'm using the wireless controller microphone. It's probably not the best, but you can go ahead and record off there if you really, really want to. But it's very easy to add commentary. If you want to edit this, just go over the track, press square. And then we can split it, we can trim it, we can move it, delete it, or we can change the volume of the commentary right here for track 2. So here's trim. Looks like I wasn't talking, so I can use the left thumbstick and just crop this out a little bit right here and right there. And it says fine trim by pressing L1 and R1. Okay, so I have it where I want it right there. And then I'm going to press X, and it trimmed out the areas where I wasn't speaking. Otherwise, we could move it to a different part of our video timeline. So can we move it right here? So I have it as close as I possibly can to the first commentary clip. And there might be a limit on how much commentary we can add. I can't remember. In the PS4 version, I think it was only like 11 or 12 different commentary tracks. So the PS5, there probably is a small limit. So you can probably keep going and going and going. So if we want to add more from here, we definitely can. So yeah, very easy to add this. So if we go back to this, just make sure you have the clip volume set right. And then you can split it too. Splitting is a great way to kind of trim it too. So we can just split it right here. Now, when I split it, looks like it deleted my commentary, but when I play it back, it's still there. And then I can just move this section somewhere else. So let's just play this back. So I still hear it even though I don't see it on my timeline. So adding commentary is super easy. This is a great way to, make a YouTube channel just by using Sharefactory. And you can see my bald head. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.